Mark Cuban, who's been one of the biggest supporters of Doge and cryptocurrencies, did something today which could be really bullish for Dogecoin. Let's talk about it. Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So this is what happened. A Twitter user said that Bitcoin is making no discernible progress towards digital gold. Why are we still assuming it will at some point in the future? To this, Mark Cuban replied, Bitcoin is better than gold. No worries about storing it. Easy to transfer. Easy to trade. Easy to convert. Doesn't require an intermediary. Can be fractionalized. Biggest BTC challenge. No William Devane type commercials and all the people who believe gold is an inflation hedge. If you don't know, William Devane was a popular soap opera star who'd been telling prospective customers that gold is the only currency he trusts. Now, this is really interesting and bullish for Dogecoin because Mark Cuban has cleared all the confusion about his current position on crypto and Doge. So, if you don't know, last week he told Dogecoin holders and prospective buyers that they need to think twice about why they're investing. He said that they need to do proper research before investing. This sounded alarming because he's always said great things about Doge. And what happened after that made things even more confusing? So a few days after that, he said that decentralized finance should be regulated. This raised a lot of eyebrows because it indicated that he's finally going to stop supporting Doge and other cryptocurrencies. And so, with this comment from him today, it looks like he's cleared all the confusion. Now, his comments matter a lot because he was one of the first supporters of Dogecoin, along with Elon Musk. His team was the first team ever to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. He even announced that he's sold thousands of dollars worth of merchandise and tickets in Dogecoin. On top of that, there are a lot of sports fans who got into crypto and Dogecoin only because he was raving about them. So this is a pretty big deal and definitely a bullish sign for Doge and crypto. Now, talking about sports, another great news came out today. Take a look at this. FTX became the official crypto sponsor of MLB. As part of the sponsorship deal, which is expected to last for at least 5 years, every major league umpire will receive an FTX patch on their uniform. Now this is a huge deal because each game of the MLB is watched by around 9 million people. And FTX is one of the biggest crypto derivatives exchanges out there. So I'm really excited because we could see a lot more money flowing into crypto and Doge this year because of this. Also, if you remember, last week Canada's Basketball League announced that they'll offer the league players a portion of their pay in Bitcoin. So this news is definitely a cherry on top. Now, let's talk about some really interesting crypto-related news from around the world, starting with Paraguay. So Paraguay University is going to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP from August. The university's name is Universidad Americana, and it currently has over 17,000 students. This is fascinating because I never thought that cryptocurrencies could enter schools and universities that soon, and especially when there's so much fear in the market. On top of that, there are 17,000 students and a majority of them are studying online, which implies that a lot of the payments will be made online via cryptocurrencies. Now, let's talk about Japan. So Coinbase is finally approved to enter Japanese cryptocurrency market. This is a huge deal because right now, only 3.5 million people trade crypto in Japan. Currently, its population is 126 million, so there's a huge portion that's a little skeptical right now. With a crypto giant like Coinbase entering their market, we could see a lot more people trading crypto in Japan now. This is especially because Coinbase is considered as one of the most trusted crypto trading platforms out there. Now, let's move on to New York. The NYC mayoral frontrunner said that New York will become the center of Bitcoins. This is pretty great because according to this article, he leads his party rivals in every borough across the city with the exception of Manhattan. So if he goes on to win, we could see really positive changes coming for crypto in one of the biggest states in the US. Now, let's talk about some pretty bad news that came out for crypto today. We know that the governments are reluctant about accepting cryptocurrencies because of all the illegal activities that are done with it. So today, two South African brothers vanished with $3.6 billion worth of cryptocurrencies. It says here that this might be the biggest crypto heist of all time. This is especially sad because this came after the South Africa bank blocked clients from buying crypto on Binance. Basically, the bank thought that Binance wasn't complying with the South African regulations. Now that a crypto investment app has actually done this huge fraud, it looks like South Africa is going to be even more strict with cryptocurrencies. Now, let's talk about Dogecoin for a minute. So, Ross Nickel announced something really surprising today. So, this is what happened. A Twitter user reminded everyone that we need the Ethereum and Doge bridge. To this, Ross Nickel replied that, "Yup, we should have the lead for that project joining me on stream next month. I'll announce when it's all nailed down." Now, this is really exciting because no one was actually thinking that the lead developers are working on it right now. This is especially great because we're already hearing news about the Doge and Ethereum link every day. A few days ago, Doge Labs announced that they are exploring Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge for DeFi staking and Doge Burn wallet. The founder of Doge Labs explained how it'll directly help increase the value of Doge. He said that, "In addition, we plan to work with other partners on developing a Doge Burn wallet where developers can build applications that send small amounts of Doge to public Burn wallet on each execution, thus offsetting Doge inflationary growth." This could be one step in providing a deflationary model to Doge inflationary growth, and thus increase value for the asset. So, I think this is pretty incredible for Doge. And with Ross Nickel's official update on it, I'm really excited about it. Now let's talk about some celebrities who are entering the crypto space despite the dip. This is important because it'll help expand crypto's reach to a lot more people. Look at this. Mila Kunis is launching an NFT project after calling the crypto space a very masculine area. And it's true. It is indeed a very masculine area. According to a research by eToro, only 15% of Bitcoin traders and 12% of Ethereum traders on its platform were female. That is simply too low. And with Mila Kunis coming on board, we could see a lot more women coming into the crypto space as well. Now, let's talk about some more bullish news for crypto that could prove to be a massive catalyst in the long run. So, Blockchain Capital recently raised $300 million for its new fund, and two of the biggest investors were Visa and PayPal. If you don't know, Blockchain Capital is a venture capital firm that has invested in more than 110 companies, protocols, and crypto assets. Its portfolio includes Coinbase, Kraken, and OpenSea. Now, this is interesting because PayPal is showing that it's really bullish on crypto. And PayPal is one of the biggest online payment providers in the world, with over 300 million users. So this is why I'm pretty excited about where Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies are headed. Now, let's talk about Dogecoin price for a minute. It is currently standing at 24.4 cents and has been in the green for the last 24 hours. Even Ethereum is up by 2% and is back above $2,000. Do you think it'll continue to rise from here? Let me know in the comments section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.